In this video, we are going to learn 4 different features of copy pasting that you have never used before. We are going to adjust the whole table, we are going to copy paste comments, validation lists, formats. So sit back, relax and learn together with us. Make sure you have watched this video till the end and learned all 4 items that we are going to go now through. We are starting. In this video, we are going to use the same table that we were using in previous videos. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'm going to drop a link to the playlist just in the description below this video. So here we have a table of weekly sales volumes based on inputs from our sales managers in different cities. And there may be defects, as we found out in previous videos. So what may happen that you will receive several comments to change the data. The first trick for today is mass update of the table with copy-paste. We are going to create a copy of the table we would like to update and erase data from it. So Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, selecting all the data and delete. So the next action we need is just to provide some updated value. I'm going to do that on the background. So now, as we have all changes being consolidated, we can actually reapplicate it to the old table. What we need now to do is to select the whole data set and insert it into the respective data field. We are going to select values and we're going to select skip blanks. So as soon as we are going to click OK, we are going to have the following. Excel will take the copied range and will try to insert it into the cells. But if the cell in the copied range is blank, it will not do anything. However, if the copied cell will contain any data, it's going to be copied into the respective matter. I would like to give you a clear example here. In Houston, for the recent 4 weeks, we were having 2000s per week as the sales volumes here, and here you may see that it's already been reapplicated. Now, as we have done some updates, let's copy respective comments into the cells that will show that this cell has been updated with input from our sales manager. And I'm going to add that this data has been updated based on inputs from sales manager. So the comment is added. Now I would like to copy this comment into the all respective cells that we are having here as being changed. I'm going to select copy paste special. I will select only comments and will click OK. Now everything's been available here. So before deleting the table below, we need to do the following. We need to copy these comments to the cells in the original table. As I have clicked OK, you can see that respective cells has received the comment, and that will allow us to show that data has been changed and will bring a sign to the others who are doing the calculation based on that. So now we can just easily delete all the values here. The third trick is going to be connected to validation list. We are going to add a drop-down list to the city cells so that if we will need to change it, we can use only the ones that are available in our preset. We are going to start with adding the drop-down list for the first one. We are going to select data, data validation, we'll select list, and as a source we are going to select the table that's already available on another worksheet. So now if we are going to drop down, you're going to see the same list as we are having in the table. But if you will check any cells below, you will not see this drop-down list. To make this available in all the cells, we are going to copy New York one, select all city cells and select paste special. Here we are going to choose validation. So now we may check each city and confirm that every time we are clicking the drop-down list, we are able to see the name of the city already there available. The last trick for today is copy-pasting cells format. Excel allows us to do that in two different ways, with CopyPaste Special format and Format Painter. We're going to try them both with the following conditions. We are going to color cell for Los Angeles second week with yellow. First, we are going to try Format Painter. As soon as you are going to click Format Painter button, you are going to select the next one and the format from the previous cell is going to be automatically applied. However, if you are going to select any other cell, nothing's going to happen. In order to apply new format to several cells in a row, you will need to do the double click on Format Painter, and then you may go several cells in a row, coloring them as you wish. Personally, I prefer second option, because for me, Format Painter is usually connected to the misclicking, when especially you will need to apply some specific formats for numbers or for coloring or for borders that is going to be on the edge for different cells. Like for instance, at the current moment, I don't know which cell I'm on, either it's for week 7 or for week 8. If I wanted to apply the format to week 7, this is going to be already a misclick. So what instead of that I prefer? I'm going to copy the cell that I would like to use format for, and I'm going to select several cells where I consider it's going to be important to apply this format to. Before applying any formats, I'm able to check if that is the cells I would like to utilize new format with. Now I'm going to go to Paste Special, select Formats, and click OK. Now the format that I'm expecting was applied to the cells that I was looking for. If you found this video interesting for you, don't forget to like it. Leave in the comments what trick you have learned today first time. And don't forget to subscribe not to miss future episodes. Cheers!